Welcome back to Ancient Historical Stories with Leo. Today, we're diving into some fascinating facts about the Islamic Empire, which stretched from China's borders to southern Europe and became a hub for culture, science, and innovation. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, played a crucial role in uniting the tribes of Arabia, emphasizing justice and knowledge. His leadership laid the foundation for an empire that would flourish intellectually and culturally. The term algebra comes from the Arabic word al-jabr, introduced by mathematician al-Khwarizmi. His work laid the foundation for modern mathematics, and Arabic numerals help streamline calculations, replacing Roman numerals. Physicians like Ibn Sina or Avicenna revolutionized medicine. His canon of medicine was used in Europe for centuries and made major contributions to anatomy and pharmacology. Islamic astronomers built observatories, created star charts, and developed the astrolabe for navigation. Their precise calculations of the solar year's length influenced future explorations. The empire was key in global trade, connecting Europe, Asia, and Africa. It facilitated the exchange of goods and ideas that enriched many civilizations. Chess, invented in India and refined in Persia, was celebrated in the Islamic Empire for its strategic depth. Popular among scholars and the elite, polo, originating from Persia, was a favorite sport of nobility, showcasing physical prowess and horsemanship. Both games reflected the empire's admiration for intellectual and physical skills. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more historical insights. Stay tuned for the next episode.